All right, guys, so this is a 2018 GT 5.0. It's got ROUSH axle backs and factory resonator. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. It's not bad at all. It's really loud. There's sound decibels. So it's right at 110. One more. So we're going to delete the So what we're doing is we're going to delete the resonator and put an X pipe in its place. We'll let you guys hear it now. So we showed you guys what it sounded like before with the ROUSH axle back and factory resonator. This is what it looks like after. Factory converter there and there. We're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. And we installed this X pipe right there. Did a resonator delete, which is over there. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Then continued everything else the same. And left the ROUSH axle back kit there and there with quad tips out the back. There and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the old resonator we just cut off. Wow, it sounds so good. Again. Sound decibels again. Right at 118. 118, bro. It's crazy. It sounds so good. You see how smooth it is? It's not raspy like the other one.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth. I like it a lot.
Sounds so good. Oh, Mustangs never disappoint. Let you guys hear on the inside. What's going on? Everybody's pulling in.